guys, Brit Tech here, back for another video. And today I'm going to be showing you guys all about screen time for iPhone 11. How to use it, what you can do. So let's go ahead and get straight into it. Go ahead and open up settings and then scroll down and select screen time. And then I'm going to show you. Okay, so right here you can see that my daily average for this week is 11 hours and 6 minutes. That's how much time I have been spending on my phone, which is actually a lot of time, to be honest. But let's go ahead and see all activity. Let's see what that's about. So as you can see, for the week, as I said, 11 hours and 6 minutes. But let's see what all that time is comprised of. So most of my time has been used, as you can see, on YouTube, Instagram, Poshmark, Robinhood. I enjoy, buying a share or two of some stocks, got to invest my money. And then, of course, text messaging and, calls. So that's pretty much what my time has been used on. And if you switch over today, you can see today I have spent 7 hours on my phone, 7 hours and 25 minutes. And I've spent, almost an hour and a half on Instagram. And if you just look down, you can see all the different activities, all the apps I've been using on my phone today. So it's not too bad for today, but I probably need to cut that weekly time down and go read a book or two. So if we just scroll down a little bit, you can see all the different options that this app has. So, screen time is where you can schedule time away from your phone. You can schedule time to just put your phone down and focus on other things. And of course, we have app limits, which will actually allow you to set a limit on how long you are in a specific app. I'm actually going to walk you guys through that in a little bit, but I actually want to scroll down to the bottom just briefly. And as you can see, this is where you can disable screen time. If you don't really like it, you can disable it. You just turn it off. But yeah, let's go ahead and get back to app limits. So if you feel like you spend too much time in a specific app, let's say you spend 6 hours a day on Instagram, you can set a time limit to 5 hours and it will alert you, hey, you've been in this app for too long. Let's go ahead and turn it off. Get out of there. Abort mission. So yeah, guys, you can set this for all apps. You can set it for games, all kinds of things. But that's pretty much how it works. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.